In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to Connecteam. We'll start from the Connecteam Launchpad and walk through the main ways to bring employees into your account, along with how to send app invitations when needed. This is useful whether you're adding one person, onboarding a large team, or letting new hires submit their own information. First, if you want to add someone manually, go to the Users tab from the left sidebar. Then click Add Users and choose Add Manually. From there, enter the employee's required details, including first name, last name, and mobile phone number. As you do this, make sure the correct country code is selected so the invitation can be delivered properly. Once everything looks right, click Add and Invite if you want Connecteam to immediately send an SMS invitation. If you're not ready to send that invite yet, simply uncheck the invite option and add the user without notifying them right away. This method is best when you only need to add a few people and want full control over each profile as you create it. If you're working with a larger workforce, the bulk import option will save a lot of time. Again, go to the Users tab and click Add Users, then select Import Users. Connecteam provides a CSV template that you can download and fill in with your employee details. Be careful to match the template format exactly, since that helps avoid upload errors. After the file is complete, upload it back into Connecteam to add all users at once. This is the most efficient option for larger teams or migrations from another system. Another option is creating an invite link. To do that, go to Users, click Add Users, and select Create an Invite Link. You can customize which details employees will be required to fill in, such as email, title, or department. After that, copy the link and share it through whatever communication channel works best for your team, like email, text message, or WhatsApp. This is especially helpful when you want employees to enter their own information instead of doing it manually yourself. Finally, if employees have already been added but haven't been invited yet, look for the red button next to Add Users in the top right corner. That indicator shows there are uninvited users. Click it to open the list of employees who still need access. You can then customize the invitation message and click Confirm to send them a download link to their phones. And that's how to add employees to Connecteam using the method that best fits your workflow.